How to view system notifications from your TikTok inbox. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to view system notifications from your TikTok inbox. Now let's get right into the tutorial. System notifications are important updates, suggestions, and notifications that appear as notifications in your notification bar. In order to view system notifications from your TikTok inbox, open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on the notifications option on the bottom of your screen. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and locate the system notification option and tap on that. You will be led to the system notifications page now. You can easily view system notifications from your TikTok inbox and stay up to date with important updates and suggestions. So this is how you can view system notifications from your TikTok inbox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.